Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to biology with Medico. Today I am going to tell you the question and answers about chapter number 3, coordination and control. So let's start. Short answers. What do you mean by feedback system? Answer. A feedback system is a system that uses its output to influence or control its input to maintain stability or improve performance. Question number 2. Why the nervous coordination is faster than chemical coordination? Answer. Nervous coordination is faster than chemical coordination because nerve impulses travel very quickly through neurons like electrical signals. In contrast, chemical coordination uses hormones which travel slowly through the bloodstream. So, nervous coordination gives a quick response while chemical coordination is slower but lasts longer. Question number 3. Which of the two coordination types is better and why? Answer. Nervous coordination is better for quick and short-term responses, like moving your hand away from something hot. Chemical coordination is better for slow and long-term control, like growth, metabolism, and development. So, each is better for different functions in the body. Question number 4. How reflex action works by reflex arc? Answer. Reflex action works through a reflex arc where the message travels from a receptor to the spinal cord through a sensory neurons and then to an effector like a muscle through a motor neuron causing a quick response without involving the brain. Question number 5. Why driving license is not issued to a colorblind person? Answer. A driving license is not issued to a colorblind person because they cannot correctly identify traffic light colors red, yellow, green, which can lead to accidents and make driving unsafe. Question number 6. Why thyroid gland swell up and give the name of the disease? Answer. The thyroid gland swells up due to the lack of iodine in the diet. This causes the gland to enlarge in an attempt to produce enough thyroid hormones. The name of the disease is goiter. Question number 7. What is the role of islet of Langerhans cells? Answer. The islet of Langerhans are a group of cells in the pancreas that controls blood sugar levels by producing hormones. Insulin lowers blood sugar. Glucagon raises blood sugar. So, their role is to maintain normal blood glucose levels. Question number 8. What is the emergency hormone and why it is named so? Answer. The emergency hormone is adrenaline. It is called this because it helps the body respond quickly to stressful or emergency situations like fear or danger by increasing heart rate, raising blood pressure, preparing muscles for action. This helps the body perform the fight or flight response. Question number 9. What are the possible reasons of paralysis? Answer. Possible reasons for paralysis include injury to the spinal cord or brain, stroke, blockage or bleeding in the brain, nerve damage, brain tumor, infections like polio, disease like multiple sclerosis. These conditions affect the nervous system and stop muscles from working properly. Question number 10. What is epilepsy? Answer. Epilepsy is a brain disorder in which a person has repeated seizures, sudden uncontrolled electrical activity in the brain. It can cause unusual movements, behaviors, feelings, or even loss of consciousness. Question number 11. Differentiate between nervous and chemical coordination. Answer. Difference between nervous and chemical coordination. Nervous coordination uses nerves to send fast messages and control quick, short-term and actions like moving muscles. Chemical coordination uses hormones to send slow messages and control slow, long-term actions like growth and metabolism. Long questions. Question number 1. Write a note on human ear or eye. Answer. Here is a short note on a human ear. The human ear is an organ of hearing and balance. It has three main parts. Outer ear, which collects sound waves. Middle ear has three small bones, movable bones. Oscillus that pass vibrations. Inner ear contains the cochlea for hearing and semicircular canals for balance. The ear changes the sound waves into the nerve signals, which are sent to the brain for understanding. Or, if you prefer a note on a human eye, the human eye is an organ of sight. It receives light and forms images. Key parts include cornea, which lets light enter the eye. Lens focuses light on the retina. Retina contains a light-sensitive cells, rods and cones. Optic nerve sends visual signals to the brain. The eye helps us to see by turning light on the electrical signals the brain can understand. Question number 2. Why does the intelligence level of person differ from each other even though the components of brain are same? Answer. The intelligence level of person differ even though the brain components are the same because of genetic difference. Intelligence can be inherited from parents. Second, environment, education, upbringing and life experience affect brain development. Nutrition. A healthy diet supports the better brain function. Health. Brain injuries or disease can affect intelligence. Practice and learning. Using the brain regularly improves thinking and memory skills. Question number 3. What is endocrine system? Discuss the gland involved regulation of blood glucose and how. Answer. Endocrine system. The endocrine system is a system of glands that produce and release hormones directly into the blood. These hormones control many body functions like growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Glands that regulates blood glucose. The pancreas is a gland that regulates the blood glucose. It contains special cells called islets of Langerhans. Insulin is released when blood sugar is high. It helps the cell absorb glucose, lowering the glucose sugar level. Glucagon is released when blood sugar is low. It helps release stored glucose from the liver into the blood. In this way, the pancreas keeps the blood glucose level balanced. Question number 4. What is diabetes mellitus? Explain some ways of its management. Answer. Diabetes mellitus is a disease in which the body cannot properly control the level of glucose, sugar in the blood. This happens due to lack of insulin or improper use of insulin by the body. As a result, blood sugar level becomes too high. Management of diabetes mellitus. Healthy diet. Eat balanced meals with low sugar and carbohydrate. Regular exercise helps control blood sugar and body weight. Insulin injections for people with type 1 diabetes or severe cases. Medicines, tablets to help the body use insulin bearer mainly for type 2 diabetes. Regular monitoring, checking blood sugar level at home or with a doctor? So this is the end of question and answers. I hope you all students understand these question and answers. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.